If you want to start or boost your career on YouTube, then you have to work hard. But there is an easy way also. You may notice that YouTube Shorts are now extremely popular. Some channels are getting huge views by uploading simple short videos. You may notice that these videos are not original videos, but a small part of a long podcast or any other videos. You can also create this kind of video in just a few minutes. You may ask, how is that possible? Yes, it's possible with the help of AI. In today's video, I am gonna share the step-by-step process of making unlimited short videos with AI. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First of all, we need a long video. For the tutorial purpose, I will use a podcast video of famous Joe Rogan. After selecting the video, just copy the video link and open a new tab on your browser. Now search for 2 Shorts AI and then click on the first link. This is 2 Shorts AI. To start creating your shorts, just click on Sign In and create an account with your Google account. Now go to YouTube and copy the video link and go back to 2 Shorts AI. Paste the video link on 2 Shorts AI. Now artificial intelligence will do its work. It will create so many short videos for us. You can see there are so many blocks of the transcript of the full podcast video. 2 Shorts AI made 37 shorts video blocks for us. And it's just 41% of our video. If you click on here, it will create more short blocks for us. This time, I will skip it. Okay, let's move forward to the next step. Before going to the next part, I will suggest reviewing your story and selecting the proper one, which will be more engaging for our audience. Okay, let's go to the next step. Choose one block and click on the next icon. Now click on Edit and Export. This is the editor page. On the left side, there is the original video, and on the left side is our output sample. Let's play the video. Okay, now we'll do some edits in our video. Here is the aspect ratio. You can export the video as an original YouTube video or landscape format, as YouTube Shots, or as an Instagram video. In today's video, we are creating a YouTube Shorts video, so I will select the portrait format. Next, you can adjust your video length. I am increasing the length a little bit, but I will suggest keeping the video shorter. Next is auto crop. This is a very important option. You have noticed that the spoken person is focused on our output video. I always recommend setting the value at 50%. It will keep the spoke person in the frame. Okay, our next option is auto crop sensitivity. I will set it too fast to make our video faster pace. It will take some time to process. I will skip it. After completing the process, you will find this kind of layer. Now another important part is the subtitle. The subtitle is very important for a shorts video. Turn on the subtitle. Change the value as you wish. Personally, I always prefer black text with a white outline. I will change the subtitle size to large. Then change the subtitle position. In this video button is the perfect position for subtitles, so I will not change it. Next, I will change the subtitle splitting option. I will set it into one word. Okay, our editing is completed. Now it's time to export the video. To export the video, just click on the export button from here. Okay, our first video is ready. Now for the second one, click on back. Select another block of video and click on the next icon. Edit your video as the previous video. After editing, click on the export button. It's so simple. Okay, our video is now ready. Now it's time to upload our video to our channel. Let's go back to our channel. Click on the create button and select your file. I have created these videos with 2 Shorts AI. I am selecting the first one. Now edit the title, add some description, and yes, don't forget to add some tags. Now publish the video as public. It's so simple, isn't it? You can publish more than 20 videos a day with minimum effort and earn a passive income from YouTube. I always recommend giving time to editing and selecting your topics. Then you will get better results. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of audio and video with the help of a free AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!